Hi, I'm Jonathan Volk. I'm an academic director for the Writers Workshop. This is going to be my third summer with the program, and I can't be more excited to be with these students. So I'm going to take you through a typical day. In the mornings, students will come to what we call a craft seminar, where we discuss a core element of craft, whether that's style, point of view, the use of time in fiction and poetry and nonfiction too, and other subjects too that I haven't covered. And so we run a seminar with the students, give them writing prompts in that class, and have long conversations about these core elements. Then in the afternoons, the students will come to their individual tracks. So that could be the graphic novel, it can be screenwriting, it can be poetry, nonfiction, generative fiction, and manuscript fiction at Amherst College campus. And so when students go to those afternoon tracks, they are very often exploring ideas that, whether it's a prompt that inspired them in the morning seminar, they're bringing it to the table, giving a read to their fellow classmates and to their teacher, discussing that work, and then editing it, honing it to the best possible manuscript it can be. In the evenings, we have amazing guest speakers who come to the campus, and the actual week culminates with what we call the Friday Coffee Shop, a really amazing opportunity for the students to share their work with each other with mood lighting, coffee. It's just an amazingly funny, moving experience where the students are really finding their voice after this rigorous five days of honing their craft.